Hi, my name is Louis Falone, VP of Active Trust IT, and today I'm going to show you a Power BI custom dashboard that we built for Leap Legal Software. Starting on the Overview tab, this is just a general information that feeds into all the other tabs that we have. You can filter by date, client name, staff name, and you can also click right on the graphs as well. So if I wanted to just click on one person, I could see total received, work in progress. Also gives me the time entry audit. If you're using leads billing, this will come in handy as it will flag any time entry that needs to be revised before the invoice is produced. Which is right here in more detail. So this is the whole time entry audit. There's a column that is looking at the billing description. If that billing description does not pass the audit, you will get a little description in this column advising how to fix the billing description to then pass the audit. If everything looks good, you will just have a good notification here. You can filter by client or by staff. Back to the left-hand side, financial overview. This is really separating time and fees by client in particular. This was a heavily requested report. So you can just choose one client and it will give you all the matters for that one particular client. If that one client has 20 matters, you'll now be able to look up time and fees by just that one client. You can also filter by staff. And then down on the bottom, you have some more charts showing unbilled and billed fees, invoices, receipt overview, and then your time and fees by staff as well. You can always just click on someone's name and it will bring up all the information relevant to that person. Expenses, just a nice report allowing you to filter by client, disbursement type, matter type, even matter number. If you wanted to, let's say, print this report and distribute it amongst the firm, you can export as a PDF. If your colleague has Power BI, you can share this report with Power BI, and that applies to all the tabs. Your receivables report allows you to filter by client, memo, received from, and bank account if you have multiple bank accounts. Your trust register. This is also pretty much available inside Leap. I just want to incorporate it into our dashboard so that you have a one-stop shop for all of your needed reports. You can filter by month, matter number, payee, payment type, or whether or not the item was reconciled yet. Newly created matters. This is designed really just to give you a quick snapshot as to what's going on, especially in regards to the work in progress. You can actually click on this chart right here and filter by month. You can also filter by matter type, work done by. And last but not least, my favorite, the commission report. This is something that's been heavily requested as well. And I split the commission report into two different tabs. As a firm, you would most likely just go with one of these two options. So the first option is to calculate the commission based on the staff name. So this will allow you to apply a percentage of the receipted amount based on the person's name. The other commission report allows you to calculate a commission percentage based on the hierarchy of the matter. So whether or not that person was marked as the person acting, person responsible, or person credit for this matter, you can actually have different commission rates built upon staff acting, staff responsible, and staff credit. So both options, whatever one suits your firm, we can apply. We can always modify this information to suit your needs. Whatever type of crazy commission report you have, throw it at me and we'll make it happen. And then down on the bottom, I just have a little table showing the expenses pertaining to that matter that you have highlighted. And that is it for now. Stay tuned. We have new updates, new reports in the works right now as I speak. So I will be putting a new update very soon. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate. Reach out to info@activetrustit.com or Lewis@activetrustit, and that's LOUIS @activetrustit.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.